Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this old vintage Canon fax machine. It's pretty old, so kind of interesting to see what's in it. Right now, as it weighs 18 pounds, 0.09, and we'll say at 5 cents a pound. If we would scrap this as shred, it would be 90 cents to scrap this as is. But we're going to tear it apart, and then we're going to see if there's anything good in it and how much it'll be afterwards. So stay tuned and let's get it done. Like I said, we're going to get this thing apart and see what's all in it. It's really old. Not really old, but it's old. It's a Fax T301 Canon fax machine. Looks like it's been in the sun or something. So we're going to get this apart and we'll see what we get out of it. Wonder if there's anything in there. We'll take it apart and find out. Little metal shield. Oh, it's got copper. We got a little piece of brass to get off there. Neat little board for phone. Got a couple other things we'll get off here later. Right now, we're just focusing on getting this apart. Some more brass pieces. Piece of plastic junk. Lots of nice chips in there. old battery. Sanyo laser lithium. Set this aside. Must be a power supply there. Normally don't fool with stuff like this, but this being this old, we'll take her apart. Usually got a pretty nice board or something in them. Another screw. Thread. Looks like a low grade board. We'll get them ICs off there though. Nice size motors. Still haven't figured out how to get this completely apart. There we go. Looks like it might be a nice board. Lots of little screws. A bunch of tactile switches or buttons. The rest of that later. That's got some gold on it. And I take that LCD screen off there. Not sure what that is. Metal will get off here. Plastic junk. Thing's still heavy. Still got paper. Plastic junk. More plastic junk. We've got gold on there. If I can get that peeled off there, we'll get her peeled off. More metal shred. It's getting lighter, folks. There's just some plastic garbage. Metal shred. I'd ignore those, but those suckers are big, so I want to get them out for us. Get that out here. More metal shred. Yep. It's more aluminum, but it looks like a light bar. we'll get off here. Lots of wire we'll be pulling out. There's just another card we can get. Not sure what that is. Little screen-like thing in there, like. And there's the power board. Still got the big motors too in here to get out. There's the power board. Nice chunky little bit of copper and aluminum. More steel shred. There we got that apart. There's most of our wire. Let's get our other stuff apart here. More plastic junk. That's a fairly heavy piece of metal shred. There's that motor out. Another motor out. Like one more to go. A speaker. And there's that now. You have a wee little sensor here. And there we go. We got everything out. So that was all in this here fax machine. Like I said, I'll finish cleaning this up and we'll sort out what's what, and I'll get these brass pieces out, and when I come back I'll have everything ready and we'll sort it out and see what weighs and what we'll get out of it. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, we're back, and all the metal shred out of that there fax machine is 6.91 pounds at 5 cents a pound. That is 35 cents for all that metal shred. As you can see, I did get the aluminum clean. So for that clean aluminum at 40 cents a pound, we got 0.35 pounds. That is 14 cents for that clean extruded aluminum. For the insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, we got 0.57 pounds. That's 17 cents for the insulated copper wire. And for the brass, which that is zeroed, $1.80 a pound, which I got a lot of them little pieces out. They were nice and heavy. At $1.80 a pound, we got 0.10 pounds. That is 18 cents for that clean brass. Yes, it took a little bit of getting them, but now you know, and you don't have to. Once again, that's zeroed. For the IC chips I got, $11.50 a pound. We got 0.04 pounds. That is 46 cents for the IC chips, which that one is a nice ceramic one. For the copper we got, which I was out of those motors, and there's a little bit of other copper in that. At $3 a pound, we got 0.27 pounds. That is 83 cents for that copper. For the low grade board, at 50 cents a pound, we got 1.06 pounds. That is 53 cents for the low grade board. For the low grade peripheral board, at $2.35 a pound, we got 0.4 pounds. That is 11 cents for the low grade peripheral board. And for the peripheral high grade boards, at $4.20, we got 0.71 pounds. That is $3 for the peripheral high grade board. Well, that was it. That was what we got out of that there fax machine. Pretty nice board right there. I hope you liked the video. I'm going to keep them coming, and please watch and share and like all my videos, and thumbs up is always great, and I'll keep them coming, and we'll see you on the next one. So thanks for watching. See ya.